Hello, this is Deborah Hardman, owner of Nature's Healing. Today I'm going to talk with you about the awesome Royal Hawaiian Sandalwood. Does that sound like a tropical island or what in a bottle? Royal Hawaiian Sandalwood has a rich, sweet, warm, and woodsy aroma that is sensual and romantic. Used traditionally for medication. This oil is uplifting and relaxing at the same time and is valued in skincare for its moisturizing properties. Gotta tell you, I am thinking about the tropical islands in the bedroom. That's what I'm thinking about. Yeah. So if you want to diffuse and have one of those romantic times in February, there you go. So if you would like to learn more, go to deborahhardman.com. If you have any questions about it, comment below, like the video, and share it with your family and friends. Thanks for watching.